Oh, hey there. Welcome to Wrenching to Race. I'm currently wrenching and he just wants to race.
Welcome to Wrenching to Race.
Hey, are you ready?
This is possibly our one and only.
Alright, start again.
Hey, welcome to Wrenching to Race. We have a jam-packed episode for you today. I'm Jay. It's John. As you know, he doesn't talk much, but when he does, shit's funny. Anyway, this may be our only prep video before we race in Thompson in August, because we came back from New Jersey in relatively good shape. Today we're gonna swap out the front brakes, the rotors, and the pads, because our old pads were very, very aggressive and they ate the inside of our rotors clean away. We're gonna swap out a ball joint as well as do more work on the fuel cell, which hopefully this will be it. So stay tuned, enjoy, like, subscribe, share with your friends, relatives, show your grandparents. They're gonna love this stuff. Okay, so the first thing up right now is the fuel cell. We're basically going to delete this outlet and go with only one, and this one outlet will go right to the surge tank centered up in the back of the tank. The return line will then feed into that, and the old surge box that we had in the front, we're just going to delete that. That's what ATL recommended, and if they recommend that, well, that's what we're going to do. This hose is even kinked, I think, too. So here's the original surge box. ATL said they never made one with balls like this, so they think it's a fuel safe one. Either way, we're deleting this one, going with a single surge box from ATL as per their directions. We have a block off cap right there and a block off cap right there, and we'll go with one.
Can I ask you a question, Jay?
What, Mark?
Are you putting the surge box in the back, against the back wall?
Yep.
Okay.
That's per ATL's instructions.
Excellent.
And the return line is going into the surge box. So hopefully we'll be good. I'm gonna hook up the lines. That'll start the car up, make sure it's working, and that is all. So one of the other things we're doing today is from the Jetta project car. Yeah, let's pull that guy out.
How come?
Because we're gonna take that apart and use that control arm, and we're gonna put new bearings in it. So with the front wheel drive setup that the GTI has, these front hubs get worked really hard. So we're gonna take these spares from the Jetta, clean them up, and we're gonna use these hubs as spares for the GTI. And then whatever this car needs, we'll get whenever we're there. But right now we got some axles, a lot of spare parts in here. Mark's pulling out spare front wheel assembly. Oh yeah, little workout today.
Yeah, no shit. So John Cooper, can you tell me what's going on with the steering wheel hub?
So just
We have a new proper one.
Show me the old one.
It's our old one from,
These strut assemblies, they may be fine.
who knows?
We just may need to put in a new insert.
What was the problem with the old one?
Those are new speed.
It was garbage
springs,
and
they'll be
not
fine
meant for
that car.
actual racing.
Tell me about your new steering hub. Are you happy?
I don't know. As long as it doesn't shake like an inch each direction.
Holy fuck, I know. Let's watch John screw screws in. You right now.
Oh, you're kind of hanging over.
Oh, that's pretty good. What are you doing, Mark?
I'm just repoing the windshield wiper switch because
Why?
Because I'm too short to reach the windshield wipers when I'm driving.
All right, well, label your wires and
I got my wires labeled.
take your pictures of everything so,
Thanks, Dad.
so they still work at the end of the day.
Thanks, Dad.
Here's the brake rotors that we just took off. They're Hawk Blue pads, which are pretty aggressive race pads. And if you can see, there's a huge edge. They're completely grooved. You get a good sense of it right there. That should be more like this, but even this, you could see the edge on that. So both of these are pretty much shot, except it's Lemons Racing, so we're going to reuse them as spares. So we're hoping that the new pads, which are slightly softer, won't eat into the rotors as much, and we'll just have to replace those and it won't be so bad. So we're just about to wrap up here, but for now we were able to reinstall our new brakes with the softer pads. We got this one done. We also swapped out the fuel cell. Surge tank, did that. We mounted the new steering hub, which I'm not sure I ever showed you guys, but it's pretty awesome. It's a NRG steering hub, and basically it's super solid, way better than what we had. Push the talk button on the left, and that's the NRG hub. Push it on, and that's it. And it's solid as a rock. We'll have a little bit more to do before the race, that we all meet up here and head to Thompson, Connecticut. But for now, take a good look at the yard. That's where we stand right now. That wraps it up for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and continue to watch us wrench to race. That was so corny, it's terrible. Thanks, bye.